Welcome everybody. My name is Patrick Munier and I'm very happy to be with you today, and particularly happy to be able to share my experience about the trends I have seen over the years regarding software development processes, and also the various means I have observed to improve and optimize these processes. Here on the picture you see the typical infinity symbol usually used for the DevOps process, covering development on the left and operation on the right. In this talk I will focus only on the left part: implement or code the software, build it and test it. If we deploy this dev part of the process, we will see different activities that will be performed. Developers will develop the code, unit test, ask for code review, and then checking their code, which will be merged into the main branch and tested for integration. The goal is to reach the software quality objectives defined for the project. The tools used during this process and their automation in a standardized way are what I will refer to as a software factory in the rest of this talk. So the first phase where it makes sense to integrate static analysis is the coding phase itself. In this video, the developer will launch Polyspace as you code on the file he or she just developed by selecting the Run Polyspace Analysis in the right-click button. Polyspace has detected a defect in a few seconds. It is a division by zero, and the traceback shows that the initialization of the variable is wrong. The developer fixes the issue by modifying the initialization, relaunch Polyspace as you code, and we can see that the bug is fixed. Okay, now the code is implemented. The developer needs next to perform some unit tests on the turn set and ask for a code review. This is the second phase where we can apply static analysis. And here we're back in Visual Studio Code. And we can see that the code is completely clean from Polyspace as you code. So now it's time to commit the code and push it to the repo. The repo, in this case, it's GitHub. So let's go to the GitHub repo. We can see here that some checks have been automatically triggered when the code was pushed. If we look at the details, we see the log of a Polyspace analysis, and at the end of this analysis, we will see that a quality gate has failed. Okay, now let's look at the summary of the failed analysis. So let's go back in GitHub. We will have to go to the summary of this analysis on the bottom of the slide. And we will see that there is one critical error that has been found, and this blocks the quality gate. So from here, we can click on a link to Polyspace Access web interface to navigate and investigate the issue. In this case, this is a data race between this component and another one, because remember, the code is fresh from local errors thanks to Polyspace as you code. And this global variable only lacks a protection mechanism. The third phase, where static analysis must integrate into the software factory, is during continuous integration, what we call CI pipeline. Let's see how it works. A build and test pipeline is triggered, which integrates Polyspace. After the analysis of Polyspace, which takes a few seconds, Polyspace results are published in a centralized database, and the quality gate defined for the project is checked. Here, quality gate failed. An email has been automatically generated and sent to the developer of the file where the issue has been detected. The email contains a link to Polyspace Access, the web interface where issues can be investigated. Polyspace Access dashboard shows that 13 issues have been found. Clicking here will display all issues so that they can be worked on by the developer. Then the developer can fix the defect, this is not shown here, and start the pipeline again. Now the pipeline will be run successfully and the quality gate is green. Perfect! Now it's time to generate a report according to the process of the department of the company. And this report can be looked at and probably been archived for later analysis or consultation. At MathWorks, we want to help you apply static analysis, and we will for sure continue to evolve Polyspace to be the best static analysis tool on the market. Thank you very much.